Well, 1 month is down and we have 11 more to go. Hello and welcome to the February edition of the Monthly Market Update, where we'll address the State of the State address, a promising economic forecast for Las Vegas, major sporting and entertainment events heading our way, and of course, the latest in local real estate market information. Let's dive in. As is typical every January, at 3,341, 77% more homeowners chose to place their property on the market in January versus December, which was also 27% more than in January of last year. Additionally, 26% more buyers transacted in January, suggesting an early spring buying season, though 13% less closings took place in January, a reflection of the seasonally slower sales month in December. But it was 6% ahead of January 2024. The median sales price surged 2.1% for the month alone and is 9% ahead of last January. The median price per square foot was $260, while the average days on the market increased 2 days to 47. Governor Joe Lombardo recently delivered his State of the State address, outlining plans for teacher raises, anti-theft measures, and housing market support. The most significant proposal, a $1 billion investment for attainable housing, aimed at ensuring Nevada families have access to affordable homeownership opportunities. At this year's Preview Las Vegas event, leading economists and industry experts painted a positive picture for 2025. Southern Nevada's job market remains strong, and steady population growth continues to fuel demand for housing. Infrastructure investments in expanding industries like clean energy and healthcare make Las Vegas one of the most resilient markets in the country. With the continued success of Allegiant Stadium, Las Vegas is making a serious bid to host college football's biggest event, the NCAA's National Championship Game, a natural next step in our evolution as the sports mecca. Only in Las Vegas would a hotel renovation make the list of top economic stories, as MGM Resorts recently announced a $300 million renovation project for the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino's main tower, with the first batch of renovated rooms already available to guests. Real estate mogul Phil Ruffin is reportedly considering selling Circus Circus. With significant acreage, this could be the biggest land play opportunity on the Strip, sparking speculation on potential developments that could reshape the north end of Las Vegas Boulevard. Actor Mark Walberg continues to embrace Las Vegas as a potential major hub for film production. His latest movie, Flight Risk, was filmed primarily in our city, reinforcing Las Vegas' growing status as Hollywood 2.0. We look forward to our state legislature's debate and ultimate decision on tax credits to support this employment diversification initiative. New home sales are on the rise, accounting for their largest share since 2005. In 2024, new homes made up 30.6% of all sales, yet another increase from 2023. This shift is largely due to builders' incentives and mortgage rate buydowns, making new construction more attractive to buyers. And a huge factor in this growth? Master plan communities. 3 of the nation's top-selling communities are right here in Southern Nevada, 2 in the top 10. Cadence in Henderson ranks number 3, while Summerlin sits at number 5 on the list. And expect more communities on this list in the coming years, as the Las Vegas Planning Commission recently approved Lennar's proposed development to build 1,480 upscaled residential homes on the Badlands Golf Course. And Kyle Canyon is poised for significant growth, with its own plans for thousands of new homes and a major resort casino by Station Casinos on the horizon. Las Vegas' luxury home market continues to gain momentum, now surpassing Los Angeles on the list of hot markets for luxury home buyers. And while multiple factors play a role, one major influence comes from recent wildfires in LA, which have unfortunately displaced homeowners and redirected those affluent buyers to Las Vegas. While much of today's news bodes well for our real estate market, affordability challenges remain. Las Vegas has been ranked among the 16 least affordable cities in the U.S., citing that the average household in Las Vegas is spending a whopping 42% of their income on housing. So with inventories rising and builders continuing to position their incentives as unfair competition, it's more important than ever to work with a trusted real estate advisor. Coldwell Banker Premier Realty knows how to navigate these shifting markets, position properties competitively, and negotiate successfully in the best interest of our clients. And with that, we thank you for making us your real estate company of choice. By the time you watch this, we'll have a new NFL champion. And next year, who knows? Maybe with Coach Carroll, it's the Raiders' time. Enjoy our spring weather, even though Punxsutawney Phil predicts 6 more weeks of winter for the rest of the country. And we'll see you next month. Bye-bye.